The Redmi 15C was launched in August 2024 as an entry-level Android smartphone. Leaks and rumors are now suggesting the imminent release of its successor, the Redmi 15C. A new leak has surfaced online, revealing the new design language of the phone along with its color options. The Redmi 15C will come in 4 colors: Moonlight Blue, Twilight Orange, Midnight Black, and Mint Green. The Redmi 15C has appeared in an early listing on Italian retailer Epto's website. The Redmi 15C will come with a 6.9-inch IPS LCD panel, featuring a 120Hz refresh rate and a water drop style notch. The phone will ship with 4GB of RAM and either 128GB or 256GB of storage. Running Android 15 with Xiaomi's HyperOS on top. A 50MP main camera, a 13MP selfie snapper. Battery capacity is 6000 mAh with support for 33W wired charging. The phone is expected to be announced this month. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.